am Shah. I am a product specialist from KBC. Today I would like to share with you guys a new model from HIOKI, which is a battery tester, which is the model is a BT3554. This is a new model compared with the previous generation. Today I would like to share with you guys on what is the new features compared with the previous model. So this model, it do have the Wi-Fi features that you can connect it with the Wi-Fi adapter by using the dongle. Then you can download the report through the phone. By using this phone, you can download the report and then straight away generate the report from through the phone. So this is an example of the product demo regarding about the BT3554. And then right here we also have the result on the finding after we go through on the by using this model of the battery tester. One of the reason we use the battery tester because we want to determine whether the battery that we are using, especially for the UPS system, whether in a good condition, bad condition, or intermediate condition. So by using determine on this thing, we can avoid any this kind of a shutdown issue during the operation time. If you guys have any question to ask me during about this equipment, anything about the test and measurement, please do contact me.